Sure.
So with this amount, I put about a cup of cheese, because I like Gouda cheese. So, you know, if you like cheesy grits, you're going to put a lot in there. If you just kind of like got a problem with cheese, then you might not want to put as much.
Okay.
You can, if you're serving a group of people, you can actually put the Gouda grits on side. And then just let them put it on there if they want, because some people might be allergic.
Yes, absolutely. All right, we're going to let you plate that, and I'm sure you're looking, you're saying, well, wait, Mike, there's something green on the stove too. Well, those are some sauteed spinach. Now, tell us how you made the spinach.
Well, with the spinach, I use butter and garlic, and just let that kind of simmer a little bit, and then put the spinach in. And this was a big bag of spinach that came to this. So if you're feeding a lot of people, you might not want to. I'm going to do this with my hand, if you know.
And I think the first time people maybe saute spinach, you realize it reduces down very quickly, very small. So yeah, you can do a whole bag.
Yeah, if you think you have a lot, or for a group of people, it can go away very quickly. This is some Gruyere. I have a problem saying that word. Sauce that you make, and it's kind of lemony, and it helps with the flavor of the catfish also.
All right, so that's as a type of a roux, I guess, that goes
right, and that's exactly what it is.
What do we have here, by the way? Is this a special ingredient?
That's the garlic. I just kind of brought a little bit instead of a lot. So we're gonna move this fish out, and.
All right, well, this is a real simple recipe, and we'll have it posted later, but to give you the amounts of the seasonings, but a lot of this is seasoned to taste. I mean, spinach, you can play with it a little bit. You may say, well, that's too salty. You can always cut back on it a little bit.
It depends on your diet that you're doing right then. I'm going to show you how much flour.
Okay.
I'm, of course, using gluten-free flour, so whatever kind of, just really a light flour you want to use. And so you're not going to put much on it. You're just going to put enough just to coat it, just a little bit.
And that, for someone who's on a gluten-free diet, simple way to get some protein.
Right, and then feel like you're eating fried fish. We do our gluten-free. Our fish is deep fried, but it's also gluten-free. So if you come by the restaurant and you want a deep fried catfish, then you can get that also.
All right. So that's there's the recipe again, and it's very simple again. Just you put some seasoning on there. She's dipping the flour in there. We're going to throw some more in the pan and finish those up. And then we're going to come back and finish things up here in the Good Day Alabama kitchen in just a moment. We'll be right back.
The on-time